Dalgano coffee. This coffee is really delicious. I'm going to show you how you make it. So we're going to put any instant coffee, 2 teaspoons, 1 and 2. 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1, 2. 2 teaspoons of hot water, 1, 2, and mix it well. The mixture is ready. Now let's make the Dalgano coffee. I have hot milk here. I'm going to pour it into the glass. Guys, we're going to pour the mixture on top of the milk. The Dalgano coffee is ready, and when you drink it, you have to mix it like this. Now I'm going to taste it. This tastes really good, guys. This is really tasty. I'm going to have some more. This coffee is amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can make the Dalgano coffee with your parents. And also don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Bye.